gumawa. Hello. Wow. Yeah. Ayan guys, nagdisitingan ng ating mga kasama. Papunta naman tayo sa magandang destinasyon ngayon sa isang magandang pasyalan dito sa SBMA, Olongapo City. Ayan po, nandito na po ang ating sundo. Yes po, allowed po ang jeep sa SBMA, basta private lamang, hindi po siya pwedeng pampasara. Puntahan po natin ay ang Ocean Adventure. At kasunod po natin si Madam Tess. Ayan po, nakakotse po sila. Ang drive po ang kanyang manugang at ang kanyang kasama, ang kanyang baby girl. Ayan, at dumating na tayo sa Ocean Adventure at wala po pa pong katao kaming kalam po sa parking lot. At welcome po sa ating mga madam.
Ay!
Ayan guys, welcome to Ocean Adventure. Ayun na, nakikita na natin ang bonggang entrance. At guys, pumunta na kami sa unang show sa Wild World venue po. Pasensya na po, pausulit po ako ngayon.
Watch and learn.
Yes, watch and learn nga po. Paano tuturuan tayo ni Kuya kung paano po tayo makasurvive sa kagubatan at paano tayo makapagluto na wala man tayong posporo. Gamit lang po ang kawayan at makakapagluto na po tayo ng kanin, ng bonggang-bongga. Ang next pong pinalabas ay si Jerry, ang puting daga. Ayan, diba? Ang bonggang-bongga. Pag tinawag yung pangalan nila, 'di ba? Oh, lalabas, napakabongga.
But there's another one. How about on the other side?
Ang sabi nga po ni Kuya, meron daw lalabas sa kabilang side at titingnan natin kung sino ang Ay, ang pogi! Oh my gosh, ang pogi! Ayan! At yan po pala, ang owl po pala, ang bongga. Ayun na pa sa puno, hindi ko napansin kanina. Ang pogi. Sabi po ulit ni Kuya, meron pa daw isang malaking lalabas. At titingnan natin kung ano siya.
Sa kanya ay wago.
Yan po, lumabas po ang isang gwapo, ay isang kwago. At meron na pong isang hype na lumabas.
Sa kanya ay musang.
Ang musang po ay merong sensitive na pang-amoy. At hulaan po niya dyan sa tatlo kung nasaan po yung pagkain. Tingnan natin kung mahulaan niya dyan.
It's under the first cup. Okay, Larry, whenever you're ready, go find the tree. And you found it.
At papahulaan ulit kay musang kung saan nalagay ang pagkain.
And you found it again. So how about...
Ang next po nating makikitang hayop ay ang meerkat. Nagulat po ako dyan dahil sa uluhan ko po siya gumagapang. Ayan na po, gumagapang na po ang pusang napaka-cute kay Kuyang Gwapo. Ay, charit! Ang gwapo-gwapo po talaga. Ay, ang cute-cute po talaga ng pusa. Ayan po, at pinapakain po siya ni Kuya ng papaya. Ah, diba? Ang cute-cute po ni Kuya. Ay, kaya po ako nagpa-picture kunyari kay Kat lang. Charat! At pinapunta na po nila ng stage ang meerkat. Ayan po, napaka-cute po talaga ng cat. At pinapakain po ni Kuya. O, nakatayo pa, diba? Ang cute-cute niya. Ayan. Parang nasa pelikula yan. Hindi ko lang matandaan kung anong-ano yun. Palabas na nakatayo. Ayan. Ang sudating makita ay isang fruit bat.
Oh, and this is bamboo, our male giant fruit bat. What you got? You will climb up to a higher place, just like that. And when he's high up, you will eventually pulse into fly. Wow! Alright, come around, bamboo. Amazing! How about our applause for Bamboo?
Ang susunod nating harp ay Kalaw. Ayun na po, lumabas na po ang Pogi. Ang Kalaw pala, ang Hornbill. Ayun po ang Pogi po talaga. Ang Hornbill pala. Ay, nalito na talaga ako. Talaga, ang cute po ng Kalaw or Hornbill. Yes, ang susunod po natin ang ating mga kaibigan. Makikita na sa gubat at sa kapatagan. Ayan na siya.
So this is Lenny.
Ay! Nagulat ako kaya akala ko takawin ako ng ahas mo.
Yes, Sam.
Ayun kuya Pogi, handa ako maging ahas para mayakap mo lang. Ayan nga po, may kinuha sa audience upang susubok mahawakan ang ahas. At isa pong sa mga palad na mahawakan ang ahas ay ang ating kasama na si Ma'am Bergie. Oh, diba? Lakas na loob. Bongga! Gusto ko sana mahawakan ng ahas ni kuya. Baka lang maamoy ako ng ahas. Baka, uy, kalahi. Ahas, charat. At ayun na nga po, pinahawak at pinahimas-simas na po kay Madam Bergie ang ahas. O, diba? Ang bongga, ang lakas talaga ng loob ni Madam Bergie. Ay, hawakan niyo, Madam. Baka bumitaw, charat. Ayun na nga po, pinahawak na ka, Madam, ang buong ahas. Ayun na, himasin mo, Madam, ang buong katawan. Chari. Ayun na nga, pahawakan na ka, Madam, ang ula.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy story?
Puti ka mo. Huwag ganun, kuya. Man ako tumiwaling kalalawa ko. Sanay ako mga ahas. Sanay ako sa ahas. Pero hindi ganyan kalaki. At ayun na mo po, isa namang pagsubok harapin ni Ma'am Bergie. Ayan! Char. Ang kinaya ni Madam malaking ahas.
Thank you so much, Father.
Our next is a man best friend.
Hi!
And that's for all for Wild Shot. Sunod naman ang nakakatakot nakakabang dance gymnastic show. Ang next nating show pupuntahan guys ay The Amazing Dyna Splendid Acrobats 2016 Season 5 Pilipinas Got Talent Grand Finalist at 2018 Well Twin Grand Finalist. Sila po ang champion ng 2007-8 Bulaga Kakaibang Bida Award. Five. Kuya nagpapa-nervous pa joke. O guys, wala music kasi para iwas copyright. Ayan ang bongga-bongga ni Kuya. 5 chair po, pinagpatong-patong. Ay, split-pieces tayo. Nakakabatala bongga. Congratulations to Kuya. Dahil 12:30 pa ang Sea Lion Show at pumasok muna kami sa Voyager Aquarium. Makikita po natin dito ang iba't ibang uri ng diving gear mula noong unang panahon hanggang sa ngayon. At makikita po natin dito ang iba't ibang uri ng mga fishes. Oh, 'di ba? Ang cute, ang gaganda. Nakaka-relax. 'Di ba? Dito kami nag-stay muna, nagpapalamig. Dahil 12:30 pa ang Sea Lion, so dito muna kami nag-stay at nag-relax. Yes, nandito na po nga tayo sa Sea Lion Show. Ayan, ang bonggang-bongga talaga.
And this is my partner, Pearl. Say hi, Pearl. So, are you guys ready to go?
Let's see, officer.
Yes, we are ready. And shoot! Good job.
Drum roll, please.
Would you like to see Pearl and Corey imitate a seal?
Hey guys, would you like to?
Yes. Okay, Corey and Pearl, show them a seal.
Hey officer, that looks like a seal.
And this is how seals walk. Pearl, to lay down here on the deck. Just like that. Now I'm going to place, okay, these 4 very juicy fish right in front of Pearl's face. There you go. Now the rule is, she can only eat this fish on the top of my hands for only 1 at a time. So let's start. First fish. She eats and she stays. Very good girl. So it's her reward. Now second fish. Stay right there. Oh, you're listening, huh? Okay, on the third fish. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, so you think you can beat Pearl? No, you can't. Unless all of you clap your hands. Come on, louder. See, I told you. She's very good at this. Okay, Pearl. Third fish. There you go. Now one more fish to go, and we are... Oh, no. Hey, Pearl, what did you do? Hey, folks, tell me, did she eat the last fish?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, Pearl, show them what happens to a bad sea lion. Oh, yeah, paano daw? Spam. Of course, we're only kidding. We don't hurt our animals here at Ocean Adventure. In fact, I'm gonna give Pearl another chance. But this time, it's gonna be more difficult. Because instead on the floor, I'm going to place this very juicy fish right on top of Pearl's big nose, where she can smell it, but she cannot eat it unless I clap my hands. Okay, folks? Same rule applies. Come on, clap your hands. Louder. See, I told you she won't eat it unless I clap. There you go. And that is self-control. Good job, Pearl.
At isa naman sa ating mga kasama na ang nakuha bilang makapagkulitan sa isang Sea Lion Patrol. At ito ay si Ma'am Sheila. Go, Ma'am Sheila. At pinahawakan niya ang Sea Lion. Diba ang cute ng Sea Lion?
Yes! So, Sheila, are you excited for the kiss? Yes, okay, but before you do it, I'm gonna show you first how it's done. Just lean towards Corey and offer your cheek, and she will give you a very gentle kiss, just like this. Okay, ma'am, are you ready? Go closer, offer your cheek, and hold it. Wow, that was a juicy one. So, ma'am, did you like the kiss?
Para daw mawala ang sumpa sa pamagitan daw ng kiss ng lion, mawala ang pagiging sirena ni Madam. Diba? Ang swerte ni Madam mula sa halik ng sang Sea Lion.
Okay guys, you may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show.
At meron po silang kinuha ulit sa audience, isang matapang na gwapong lalaki. O, diba? Para gayahin ang ginagawa ng isang Sea Lion.
Corey, are you ready? Not yet, Officer Gilbert. Wow,
Mahilo ako dyan.
And there's gas on the floor, sir. Yes. Down. Down. Third. Wow. And don't forget to wiggle like that and roll over just like that. Okay, then, sir. Now roll over. Wow. Officer. Very okay. Would you like to see more? Yeah! Yeah, would like to see more? Probably all you have to do is slide
Ay.
and stop. You have to go to the edge. 1, 2, 3. Come on, sir. Just slide. Slide.
At magaling po si Kuya gumaya sa silayon at nahulog pa siya. Meron po siyang fries na damit.
Okay, Corey. After getting entangled slowly. Oh, good girl. Poor Corey.
Exercises. Did you all know? Reuse materials like bags, boxes, and bottles whenever you can. And you're right, recycle. Recycle materials like aluminum, and Corey will show you how.
What are you going to do with that? Okay, let's wait for Corey. Well, she picks it up and takes it where? Oh, of course, to the nearest recycling center. Great job, Corey.
There you go. That was loud and clear. So folks, did you understand that? No, of course, you don't have to worry because Officer Destine understands sea lion language.
Yes, I do. Actually, what they said is, let's make every day Earth Day. Is that right, girls?
Yes, another mission accomplished.
Hill, may music naman at makapirate tayo. Ako na lang ang kakanta. Shake it up. Ayan, pinaikot-ikot nila. Ayan, sea lion. O, diba? Ang bongga. O, diba? Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. O, diba? Ang ikot, pupunta roon at babalik siya ulit. O, ayan o. Iikot sila at bongga. Shake it up, shake it up. Ayan na. Ang galing-galing. At pinalangoy na nila ang mga sea lion. Shake it up. O, diba? Ang bongga-bongga talaga sila. O, yan. Pinatalo na nila. O, shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. O, diba? Shake it up. Shake it up. Ang next po natin ay ang Dolphin Show. Ito ang pinakabongga sa lahat. At paswerte tayo dahil nagpakita sa akin ang dolphin sa gilid-gilid lang bago mag-umpisa ang dolphin.
One of the most amazing creatures of the sea, the dolphins.
Wow!
Like a fish. Now let's show them. There you go. See the difference? That's a great job, dolphins. Using variety of clicks, squeaks, squawks, and even whistles. Listen again. Very nice, dolphins. They're coral fins, and it's used to steer themselves on the water. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, dolphins can actually jump high in the air. Alright, just like that. Now next up, what do dolphins do when they want to scratch their itchy skin? That's why fellas, they do the breach. Feel like someone else to show up or just have fun? Hey, show them some of that speed. Oh wow, in the smooth walk, guess what? Our dolphins, they can do this. They can walk on water. And Maestro, music please.
Ayan guys, ay makapit naman tayo mga music. Ayan, ako na lang ulit ang kakanta. Ayan. Lakado, ay kantina, ala ko, ala kantina, sasayo ang dolphin, ayan, kakala, kukantina, akala to, ala kantina, akala to, yeah, 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 akala to, ala kantina, oh, diba, ang galing-galing ng dolphins, alago, ala kantina, oh, bongga.
Anthem! And wow! Alright. Are you okay, Peter Bam? Having a nice photo with your newfound friend. Okay, so when he's ready, you move it aside. There you go, just like that. Watch out for the fin, okay? Kneel down and I'll just show you what that means.
Ayan po, pinasayaw po nila with the trainers. At ginaya po ng dolphin kung ano po ginagawa ng mga trainers. O, diba, ang buntot nila, o, winagawaywan. Ayan po, pa-circle car po sila. Ayan, bongga, bongga. At ayan po, paikot-ikot. Wow!
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Fee, Nala, and Answer. One lasting message. Thank you so much, Dolphins. Now, folks, they just want me to remind all of you that they're here representing their cousins in Hawaii. Say thank you for joining us here today. And we hope that you are all having a great day, all here at Ocean Adventure. Bye, everyone.
At dito nagtatapos ang ating Ocean Adventure Tour, guys. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Mwah! At thank you din po kay Ma'am Sheila at kay Sir Eming. Thank you so much, Ma'am, Sir. Mwah!